Hi amazing people, you are welcome back to the channel Judith Effect. My name is Judith. It's been a hot minute. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video, and if this is your first time here, you are very welcome. So I'm kind of having a mixed feeling. I'm happy and at the same time I'm not so happy because my YouTube subscribers, for some reason, I don't know why YouTube is reducing my subscribers. Sometimes I'll get views and after I check it, they'll reduce. And while I'm not feeling so good about my subscribers and YouTube fluctuating, going off and on, my TikTok handle, my videos, some of my videos are doing well. So I don't know whether I would use that one to compensate for this one for my YouTube. Maybe because I'm not being consistent, I'll try as much as possible to be consistent this time around. Adulting is adulting, and you know, we're just trying to keep the pace. Instagram is the worst. I'm just feeling so bad for that my page on Instagram because I'm hardly consistent there. I'm trying as much as I can make all this my social media handles peak. I'm going to be addressing two comments. One was why I stopped using CAROTONE, and secondly, a subscriber was asking that she was using CAROTONE and it's causing her dark knuckles. So first and foremost, you guys know that I've been using CAROTONE for a very long time, and yes, I have been making videos about other products which I've been using, not because CAROTONE stopped working for me, but just because of a reason which I'm going to address in this video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to just go straight to the point. Again, I'm going to talk about Dosier perfume. How are you with your Dosier? Have you started using your Dosier? Have you ordered it? Now, the good news is that Dosier perfume is now in the UK, and you can by all means purchase your Dosier perfume in any boot stores close to you. Although I checked for the boot store close to me here where I live in England, I didn't find any Dosier. That was about last month because this is the month of July. That was about early last month. I didn't get it, but I think it's in selected boot stores in the UK. So by all means, if you go to any boot store and you find any Dosier perfume, please by all means give it a try. Some of them are available, like the Lost Americana, IT Factor, Floral Marshmallow, that products, some of them that I've introduced to Boots, and I'm sure more will be coming as time goes on. Okay, so let's talk about CAROTONE. CAROTONE is a very good face cream, although when I was using it was when I was having black spots. It really helps to clear my dark spot. I don't always keep this one. It was working for me until recently I stopped using it. So why did I stop using CAROTONE? It's difficult for me to access CAROTONE in this part of England where I moved to, and it's also hard to get it in shops. Although I've seen it once in an African shop, but it's the body cream I saw, the cup body cream. I've never used that cup body cream on my face. It's usually the small face cream I buy and I use on my face. Now, for some of you that say, I've seen some comments where some people say CAROTONE after a while it causes you redness. That's because if you're using it consistently, your face gets used to it, or you start using it at first, you notice that breakout. First, I've advised on how you can use CAROTONE. I've made a video on that, the link down below. You can mix it with carrot oil or olive oil to balance it. Also, if you want to treat it, use it as a treatment product. If you're using it to treat dark spots, if you notice you're reacting to it, you can always put it at that particular spot where it is located, or you can pair it with a moisturizer. So if you're using it and you feel you're reacting to CAROTONE, pair it with a moisturizer, or you can mix it with a moisturizer. Why I stopped using CAROTONE, like I said, it was hard for me to get here where I moved. Secondly, I wouldn't say it's the fake one I got the last time, because the last time I got it, it was online. I bought it. It was working for me, but at the point, I wasn't noticing the effect it used to give me like before. I think I said that in one of my videos, side effects of CAROTONE or something like that. I'm going to still leave the link down below. Mine is that when I started using it, it's good on me. Until recently, it was still working, but it's not as effective as it used to be when I started using it. It could be as a result of maybe a couple of reasons. It might be that the quality has dropped. It might be that because of my skin is already so used to it. It might also be that the place I moved to, maybe the weather and, you know, the water here, maybe it's not just matching, you know, with the product, and it's not just going well with my skin. But I just feel like the quality, for me, this is what I feel, because if you're talking about my skin not matching with it, I pair it with good moisturizers. If you see some of my videos, I use L'Oreal as well, L'Oreal moisturizer. So I don't just use only, you know, brightening product on my face alone. I make sure I use good moisturizers on my face, especially in the mornings, and then at night I use CAROTONE. I use good face oils as well to just treat my face to give it that glowing and moisturizing effect. I don't have breakout. It doesn't cause me redness. It doesn't even cause me any hyperpigmentation. While I was using it, notice that it wasn't giving me that brightening effect like it used to give me before. Like when I used it, I have to like really slow down while I used it because it really brightened my face while clearing out dark spots. Even when it cleared my spots, when I just feel like my face to pop, to give it that pop and brighter skin, I just use my CAROTONE for like straight 3 days or 1 week at night, then use my moisturizer in the morning, and my skin just glows out. But I noticed recently the only thing it does is that it just smoothens out my face. It rarely brightens, like that shaprapra fast brightening, like brightens your face. Like when before the bottle finishes, you will notice that very good brightening effect. Now CAROTONE, I don't know, maybe is the quality that has reduced, and it's not just CAROTONE. Many products in the market, I don't just know, their qualities are dropping while they're getting more expensive. This is just the reality of the life we live in now, the economy of things now in the market. You see a product you buy before, the quality good, but now is like there, or before the quality was better, but now it's just good, and then you just have to cope. In fact, when you're using a particular product probably before, let's say you start using a product, in 2 weeks time you start seeing effects of that product. Now you might use a whole bottle, you won't even see, you might just see a tiny effect. Before you start seeing the effect, it might take you another second bottle, using a second pack of that container before you can start seeing effect. And trust me, that is really discouraging. But if you're lucky enough to use a product, probably your skin is a skin that is very sensitive, that reacts to product easily, use it the first 2 weeks and it works for you, good. Products now these days is a struggle for you to start seeing effects as soon as you start using them. So that's the reality you have to get used to. So for me, I feel the quality has really dropped. That's what I feel, because when I'm using a product that is not good for me and my skin is reacting, the first thing I notice is pimples, red pimples. I start reacting, I start having black spots all over. So it didn't do any of that. It just wasn't giving me that brightening effect anymore. It was just making my skin look cool, even though the skin looked bright, but it's not as bright as it used to look before. It was just okay, which I don't have issues with, but I just feel it's about time I gave it a break and gave it like bye-bye to CAROTONE. I've used it when I wanted to, and it has worked for me at the time it had to work for me. So now I think it's now time for me to keep using my other products which I've introduced to myself, and I've made videos about all of that. And do I see myself going back to use it? I'm not really sure, because it's even difficult for me getting it around here. Probably when I visit home, I might try to get it in one of my vendors if there's a need, but really I would like to purchase it again if I get the opportunity. Like, I would like to see where I'm buying it and be sure that I'm buying the original. Yeah, CAROTONE is that good, and I've gotten good comments. Like, if you see my CAROTONE videos that I made, people who have used it, you could see comments and good reviews about it. CAROTONE is not as bad as people talk about it. Products are always about if you know how to use it. Even the trending products work for me. I feel probably I don't know how to use it, or it didn't just work for my skin, and I don't even go close to, you see all those Anwa, all those trending products that are trending now. There are some I see now on TikTok. It's as if sometimes I'm going to go blind. I don't even try to use any of those. Some of them will come tomorrow and tell you tranexamic acid is good. Another one will come tomorrow and say azelaic acid is the best. Another one will come tomorrow and say trinatoin is the best one. Another one will come and say niacinamide. Like, girl, how do we survive all of this? Like, how many do you want to put on your skin? So I don't even try to go on with those trends. So all those trending thing is not for me. So that is that for that. That is why I stopped using CAROTONE. Then the second one, a subscriber asked that CAROTONE causes her dark knuckles after using on her face. I don't know how you apply your face cream. When I'm applying my face cream, I scoop it from the container and I put it like a dot on my face, and I use my fingertips to rub it through. Maybe some people after rubbing it, they go like this and rub it all over their hand. I don't know, because that sometimes might be an unconscious act. I do that as well when I finish rubbing face cream all over my face. Sometimes when I do it on my neck and there's no more cream, I'm sure that it's all gone from my palm, I might just go like this, rub the remaining on my hand. So some people might just use it to rub their whole fingers. It's just an unconscious act. So if that's what you do, advise whenever you use CAROTONE on your face, after that, please go and wash your hands. That's the only thing I'll tell you. If it causes you dark knuckles, just go wash your hands after using it. Or I wouldn't tell you to rub it in any other part of your body, because I don't know if you're gonna have another effect on any part of your body. But the best thing to do is, if you have a wipe, you can just use a wipe to wipe your hands off, or you go to wash your hands. If it's not causing you any effect in your face, I don't know why it's causing effect on your hands. That means probably it's quite strong for your knuckles. And if you're sure it's carotone that is causing you that dark knuckles, please by all means always wash your hands after using it on your face, or you use cleansing wipes to wipe your hands after use. That is much what I'm gonna tell you. There's nothing other than that if it's working for you. Okay, my darlings? So thank you if you stayed up until the end of this video. It's good to have you back. And like I always say in my videos, I hope to stay consistent, because it's not easy to run your daily life activities and still run social media handles. I don't know how people who run like all four or all their social media handles keep it going. Like, I don't know how they do it. They post every single day. I'm really like, kudos to all of you who do that, like keeping your social media handles consistent every day, all of them posting on each of the social media handles. I don't know if they have maybe they have something else they do aside from content creation, but if it's only content creation they do and they put in that energy, fine and good, it's really awesome. But if you have other career that you're doing, or if you're a career person and you still have time for your social media consistently every day, I hail you. All right, love. So thank you for watching. Please do well to, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And I'll see you in my next video.